Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, shelving is always a necessity in any house. Decorative shelving, even more so. Well, if you'd like to make a string shelf like you see behind me, let me show you how you can achieve this in your very own home. The tools and materials required to complete the task are 4 plywood planks, 80 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 20 millimeters. 4 threaded 1 meter stainless steel rods at a diameter of 8 millimeters. 32 washers, 8 by 16 mils. 8 cap nuts, 8 millimeter diameter. And 24 nuts, 8 millimeter diameter. The tools required are a drill with an 8mm wood drill bit, an adjustable spanner, a pencil, and a combination square. The first step, using your combination square, is to mark each of the corners where you'll be drilling the holes 2 centimeters from the edge. Drill out each of the holes using your 8 millimeter wood drill bit. On one end of each threaded rod, thread 1 washer, then tighten 1 cap nut using your multi-grip pliers. Thread the 4 threaded rods through the holes in the board. Attach 1 washer, screw 1 nut on each corner and tighten securely. Secure 1 nut on each threaded rod, leaving a gap of 30 centimeters from those on board number 1. Put 1 washer on each threaded rod. Attach board number 2. And repeat the process for the other shelves. Finish by screwing the remaining cap nuts at the end of the rods. And there you go, your string shelf is done and dusted. All that's left to do now is adjust those legs using your adjustable spanner to make sure that it's nice and level. You can also paint it in wood varnish, or you can paint it any color you'd like if you'd like to stand out from the rest. All the products we used in this insert are available in store or online. Otherwise, if you'd like to see more projects like this, please go to our blog on our website. The website address is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.